What's unique about HKUST is really their people. I really resonate with our core value, particularly in innovation, the can-do spirit.
I really wanted our students to have a chance to really make use of the freedom in the university life.
I also try to alert them there's another journey of their life stage after their high school, and they need to think about how do they want to develop themselves.
For most of the world, COVID hits in February or March in 2020. Our university was closed since November of 2019. For us, we were really hands tied. There was nothing we can do because we are co-curricular programs. So at that time, we became the support team, supporting all these evacuations and dealing with the social movement. Because of that, I had a chance to look for some opportunities. My associate dean actually allowed me to go to a conference in Korea that talks about future skills and future opportunities. And that's how I got to know Kuru Consulting and James and his tribe of trainers. And I saw the possibilities of actually bringing these future skills workshops to our students, and also the co-creation using the design thinking model. James and our team discussed we need something to help us with team building. So at that time, our career center colleague, Grace, is already using Lumina Spark as a career building tool. And she proposed, why not we try using Lumina Spark for that? We actually integrated Lumina into most of our programs to see how it will work.
When I first got in touch with this Lumina portrait, wow, it actually contains different dimensions that describe your personality. It actually gave me the impression that everybody can be, so to speak, very complex. It's not just so simplistic. You are one of the 16 types, you are one of the 9 types. Okay, it's not really that simple. Humans are really not that simple.
So I myself, I have kind of a great interest to go through it myself, first of all. So I mean, thanks to the resources, secured by the Dean's or Student's Office, then we have a chance, to go through with the Lumina Spark ourselves. Then after the debriefing, well, we understand better the more particularly on how one can know oneself better.
After the implementation, we definitely see a lot more meaningful conversations among students and staff.
Back then when it was COVID, so it was my first time having lesson online. And so I feel like it's not so comfortable when I not get to meet new friends in schools. So Lumina Spark do help me, at least as a common language, to talk with the people in self-leadership and with the staff. And also it helped me to get me thinking, my self-awareness, like who should I be? Who am I? I didn't really think about it before.
I know some of the tools that maybe divide into different type of personalities, or maybe deep dive into your neuroscience. But Lumina is a capture of your personalities at that moment, and then it's also showcased like when you're in different conditions, say that every day in your overextensive mode, or maybe in your underlying mode. And then this gives you a more comprehensive perspective of what I am as a person.
I think I really appreciate how Lumina Spark highlight the paradox, like how it highlights people can be very different at the same time. Like 2 extreme personalities. I'm at the same time very people-oriented and also outcome-oriented, yet they both are me.
The key is it is a common language. So with the common language, no matter that you are local students, non-local students, where they are, what language they speak, it doesn't matter anymore. They talk about the splash. They talk about what color energy we are.
It depends on the situations or issues that we are encountering that we may have some shit. I think this actually gives myself a spark that, well, this is what the student may need to know themselves as well.
What you can see from the Lumina portrait, is only a portrait. It's not a report. It's not something fixed. It's just a portrait. So it may change over time.
I really enjoy how it guides me to do a self-discovery journey within myself, and also how it serves as a common language that I can communicate with my peers.
It's not just a common language, it's also a platform for us to make our students, make everyone feel that we are in the same boat, we are in the same community.
Lumina Spark gave us a very practical and useful tools that at least from our students' reflections, it really helped them on this more self-awareness of themselves.
If you want to improve yourself to an ideal version of yourself, first of all, you have to know the current state. You first have to know what is good now, what's bad now, what if this, what if that, then what do we behave. And then you draft the direction towards the ideal self. And this is a self-reflection tools that help your growth journey.